to generate background using AI on Picsart. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can generate background using AI on Picsart. For that, you'll have to open your Picsart application on your device, and on the home page, click on AI tools at the left sidebar. You will reach to this page. Here you will see tons of AI tools. At the first, you will see AI background creator. Click on it, and there you will see a window where you will have to enter the prompt or describe the background. Then you can choose the color option here, and below you can choose the style on how you want your background to be. After that, click on the generate background option and wait for a while patiently. After a while, your background will be created. You can also click on this show more visuals if you are not satisfied with the current background. After you are satisfied with the background, double click on it and you will reach to the editing space where you can edit the background further. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.